Hello guys, as I promised earlier that I will post a separate video regarding oil pressure sensor replacement. This is it. I have this check engine light since October last year. Now I'm replacing it. I got two confirmed trouble codes. They are 50520 and 50522. Piece of advice guys, use a regular 10-volt deep socket, 6-point or 12-point, 1 and 1/16 size, especially if you're working on a 2014 Pro Master. What happened was, I only have a 1 and 1/16 deep impact socket, and it's bulky. It gives me a hard time. In short, not user friendly. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.